Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honoured when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated and we love sharing it with others. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.